Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Karn, and in today's video I will be sharing with you all this makeup look right here. This is so beautiful, so royal, and it's like perfect amount of healthy glow, not over the top, with a raspberry red lips and with the hint of yellow and white. It's something which is super pure and super good looking, and it's perfect for a royal glam wedding function look. So without much more ado, let's get started. And before starting, please take a moment and subscribe my channel. Now let's do start it. So first I'm starting off with a Pond's moisturizer and just hydrating my whole face, under my eyes and everywhere, literally everywhere. Now we will be massaging on the neck, and yeah, this kind of helped my skin to glow from within. Now I'm taking a dewy foundation. This is a L'Oreal True Match foundation, blending it with the beauty blender and applying it all over my face and keep on blending. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys, because maximum of you are watching my videos but doesn't subscribe. So what happened to my words? So please subscribe my channel by hitting that red subscribe button and the notification bell which appear after it. Yeah, now I'm using a Swiss Beauty concealer and highlighting only my under eyes, like taking a very less concealer, and it's just for highlighting purpose. Bridge of my nose and under my eyes, around my mouth, and just above my arch of the eyebrows, and it will give me a lifted features of on my face. So yeah, blending it with that same beauty blender. Keep on blending is the key, because blending will make your makeup look super flawless, and it will not give you that ashy look which often we have while if we are not blending it properly, our makeup or our base. Now taking that Wet n Wild contour palette from banana shade and setting my under eyes, under my eyes, lid, and probably everywhere wherever I applied the concealer. I'm not setting my whole face because I want that dewy look, so I'm just setting those areas where I have applied the concealer so that it will not crease. Now let's move on to the eyeshadow. Taking that dark color and just filling my eyebrows, because I don't want that structured eyebrow. I want it very, very soft. Now taking that my favorite brown crease color and applying it on my crease, blending it. Yeah, that's the crease. I want my crease to be a little above, so I applied on that way. You can choose whatever technique you like. Now taking that pink color on my pencil brush and placing it only on my outer eye and creating a crease, a building up crease. So yeah, this is how I am placing that color and just smudging it very lightly. Now I am taking a clean blending brush and I will be just smudging out those color. Yeah, perfectioning my crease. Now I'm taking again blending brush, and now I'm blending my crease, not that color but my crease. Now taking that shimmery shade and applying it all over my lid. It is not that sparkly, it's not that too glam, too blonde, but it's like a perfect amount of shimmer. It's just like a wash of shimmer on my eyes. So yeah, it will look just perfect with that. Now I am taking those brown and pink color and applying it on my lower lash line. So here I have applied falsies, and you can see my eyes look so beautiful. Every time whenever I see my eye makeup look, I'm just surprised by myself because it looks so gorgeous every time. Now I'm taking that copper tone blush. This is the Lakme blush, and it also has a little bit of sheen to it, so I'm applying it all over my cheeks, and blush is never enough for me. So yeah, I'm just applying it like a crazy person on my nose, my chin, everywhere wherever I feel like. Taking my Maybelline highlighter and applying it only the highest point of my face, not that sharp. I don't want it structured. I just want it to be all over my face, but in a very little quantity, very little, just like a healthy glow. Now with the help of my finger, I'm just placing it on the brow bone so that my eyes look will be more popping. Now this is the star of the show, my red lipstick. This is the Maybelline lipstick. Now this is the final look. At the end you will also find this look paired up with a bindi, so do let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel by hitting that red subscribe button. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay glamorous.